What is it?
Mouse, I brought you a present from the CIA
You gonna say
lab.
something else?
Fish with a human brain, just like me.
No, it's just a regular fish. They took its retinas out for an eye scanning experiment. I brought the little blind guy home to keep you company.
You gonna say something, Spencer?
Well, enjoy.
Are
Hey
you gonna say
there,
something
beautiful.
else?
Bring that body over here. Well,
Damn, my fanny.
give me some of that franny fanny. Give me some of that franny fanny.
Pop it up, pop it up, pop it up.
Give me some of that franny fanny. Give me some of that franny fanny.
Give me, all right, enough of that. It's clearly all chorus, and I won't be a part of it.
You know, you've been getting that franny fanny for almost 20 years.
What now?
You do remember our 20th wedding anniversary's coming up, right?
Of course. That's why I planned to
Have a magical ceremony to renew your vows.
Roger, that's a terrible...
Oh, Stan, you always take such a good care of me.
Yep, I remember when Stan came to me months ago and asked me to plan the whole thing. Right, Stan?
Yes.
Great. Just cut me that check for $6,800, the budget we agreed upon, and I'll get started.
$6,800? Oh, Stan, I'm so lucky to be married to such a good provider.
Just make it out to Janie Gold Weddings.
Who's that?
Janie Gold, wedding planner. This is my emergency wedding.